Create a YouTube account, sign in to Google. Go to youtube.com and click Sign In using your Google account. Create a channel. Click on your profile picture, top right. Create a channel. Choose a channel name and upload a profile picture. Add a brief, engaging channel description focusing on your niche or target audience. Optimize channel settings, channel customization. Settings greater than channel customization. Profile picture. Use a professional, high-resolution image. Banner image. Create a visually appealing banner that reflects your niche. Links. Add links to your website, social media, or relevant platforms. About section. Include a clear description of your channel's purpose and what viewers can expect. Use relevant keywords, channel keywords, settings greater than basic info. Add relevant keywords to help your channel appear in search results. Use terms related to your content niche. Country and visibility, settings greater than advanced. Set your country and choose visibility preferences like enabling or disabling ads based on eligibility. Step 3. Customize advanced settings. Set channel type. Choose whether your content is for kids or not. Default upload settings. Title template. Customize as per your niche. Add default tags relevant to your niche. Avoid keyword stuffing. Set video privacy default to public for automatic visibility after uploads. Branding. Add a custom watermark to all videos. Recommended size, 150 by 150 pixels. Use consistent branding colors and fonts. Step 4. Start uploading high-quality content. Step 4. Start uploading high-quality content. Create content around a niche. Focus on solving a problem, teaching a skill, or entertaining your target audience. Choose trending or evergreen topics. Plan and script videos. Hook. Grab attention in the first 5 to 10 seconds. Value. Deliver informative or engaging content. Call to action. Ask viewers to like, comment, and subscribe. Optimize titles, tags, and descriptions. Use SEO-friendly titles with keywords. Write engaging descriptions with relevant links. Add tags related to your video topic. Step 5. Design custom thumbnails. Thumbnails significantly impact click-through rates, CTR. Use bold text, bright colors, and a clear subject. Stick to a consistent style and design for brand recognition. Step 6. Promote your channel's social media. Share your videos on platforms like Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. Collaborate. Partner with other YouTubers in your niche for mutual growth. Engage with comments. Respond to viewers to build community and loyalty. Step 7. Analyze performance. Use YouTube Analytics to monitor watch time, audience retention, click-through rate. Adjust your content strategy based on what works best. Pro tips for 2025 Shorts. Leverage YouTube Shorts for viral growth. AI tools. Use AI-powered tools for editing, scripting, and keyword research. Consistency. Upload regularly, weekly or bi-weekly, to stay relevant. Quality over quantity. High-quality, well-edited content wins over frequent uploads.